Are you planning a move? Do you need an affordable, reliable moving quote? Check out why we are a fast and professional moving company.
Moving can be a stressful event. When one considers having to pack up a house and load everything they own onto a truck, the amount of stress that the person experiences can increase. A professional moving company can help decrease the stress of a move. Extra Movers is a local moving company based in Atlanta. Unlike traditional moving companies, we provide an affordable alternative. We offer exclusive moving labor services. You provide the truck and we provide the extra movers. There can also be stress associated with keeping property safe while on the road. At Extra Movers, we ensure that your property is packed securely and tightly. We provide customized moving services. In addition, we have no contracts, no upcharges, no hidden fees, no mileage rates, and no upsells. Working on a tight schedule? We can book your move within 24 hours. We are a moving labor provider serving Metro Atlanta, Georgia. We offer efficiency, reliability, and affordability.
I hope you like our video and you guys will give us a call. Thank you very much. For more information, please check out the link below.